Hello everyone. As you know that I am doing previous year questions of GATE, IAS and IAS uh, from the subject of material science. Okay, so this is nothing but previous 20-year questions of these exams like GATE, IAS and IAS. I have already completed 12 videos uh, for material science. This is the 13th one. Okay, this is about myself. So if you are new in this channel, please watch those videos also. This will be helpful for mechanical students, material science students, and for them those who are those who have actually those who are writing engineering services examination. So for their prelims paper, for all branches this is common. Okay, material science is one of the subjects. So if you are material engineering services aspirant of any branch, this will be very helpful. And obviously if you are in university or doing BTech or you're writing GATE and all those things, so this will be very useful. Okay, so let's see uh, today's questions. Okay, so the first question talk about high speed steel. Cutting tool material 1841 HSS has which of the following compositions? Okay, so HSS में पूछ रहा है कि which one is what are the composition? 18 vanadium, 4 chromium, 1% tungsten, 18 chromium, 4% vanadium, 1% tungsten vanadium, 18 vanadium, 4% nickel, 1% vanadium, 18% chromium, 4% nickel, 1% vanadium. It is actually A, 18% vanadium, 4% chromium, 1% vanadium. So this is the composition of HSS. Okay, 18% vanadium, 4% chromium, 1% vanadium. Next question, the correct sequence of element of 1841 HSS steel. तो अगर आपने पिछला क्वेश्चन देखा है तो यू कैन इजिली सॉल्व दिस. Okay, WCRV, MOCRV, CRNIC, CU, ZNS. Okay, so it is actually A. It is 18% vanadium, 4% chromium, 1% vanadium. Okay, 18% tungsten, 4% chromium, 1% vanadium. So answer is A. Next question, the limit for the maximum hardness of a work material which can be machined with HSS tool even at low speeds is set by one of the following tools: tool failure mechanism. Okay, so attrition, abrasion, diffusion, plastic deformation under compression. This is actually a attrition. Next, the blade of power saw is made of boron steel, high speed steel, stainless steel, malleable, cast iron. It will be actually B. So we are doing question of HSS, so its answer will be HSS. Okay, so the blade of power saw is made of high speed steel. Next question, the compositions of some of the alloy steel are as under 14 vanadium, chromium, 1 tungsten, 1 vanadium, tungsten, chromium, vanadium, 12% vanadium, 1% molybdenum, 1% vanadium, okay, tungsten, 4% chromium, 1% vanadium. Okay, W is tungsten. Okay, 6% molybdenum, 6% tungsten, 4% chromium, 1% vanadium, 18% tungsten, 8% chromium, 1% vanadium. So the composition of commonly used high speed steel would be, okay, तो ये फर्स्ट तो होगा. ओके, अभी हम लोग पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. 18% वैनेडियम, 4% क्रोमियम, 1% वैनेडियम. ओके, तो 1 है तो ये गया, बी तो गया हमारा. ओके, अब देखिए इसमें 18% वैनेडियम, क्रोमियम का परसेंटेज बढ़ा सकते हैं हम लोग. ओके, क्रोमियम को 8% भी कर सकते हैं, 1881 भी कर सकते हैं. सो 4 और 1 और 4 इज द करेक्ट. ओके, बाकी ये गलत है. ओके, HSS में ये मॉलिब्डेनम वगैरह नहीं होता है. ओके, next question, the percentage of various alloying element present in different steel material are given below. Okay, which of the following these relate that's high speed steel. Okay, तो अभी देखिए हम लोग इससे पहले पढ़े थे. तो 18 वैनेडियम, 18% टंगस्टन, 4% क्रोमियम, 1% वैनेडियम, ये तो होगा ही. ओके, इसका आंसर देखिए ये वाला तो होगा ही हमारा. ओके, तो इसमें ये वाला गलत होगा. 18% ये वाला भी गलत होगा। 18%, देखिए 18% वैनेडियम, ओके नहीं जस्ट 1 सेकेंड, 20 करेक्ट नहीं, ये हमारा करेक्ट होगा, दिस विल बी करेक्ट, ओके ये गलत होगा, ये भी गलत होगा, ओके 18% क्रोमियम नहीं होता है, तो आंसर इज बी। नेक्स्ट, ओके मैच लिस्ट करना है हमें, ओके क्रोमल, बैबिटेला, निमोनिक, HSS, जर्नल बियर्स, मिलिंग कटर, thermocouple wire, gas turbine blades. Okay, we'll see that chromal is nothing but it's a thermocouple wire. Babbitt alloy is journal bearing. Mnemonic alloy is gas turbine, and high speed steel is cutter, okay, milling cutter. So its answer is A. देखिए टूल वगैरह जो बनता है वो HSS से ही बनता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कटिंग टूल मटेरियल, मेजर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स constituent, okay, so no, HSS, satellite, diamond, coated carbide tool, so carbon, molybdenum, nickel, columbium, cobalt. HSS जो होगा it is nothing but molybdenum, और satellite जो होगा it is cobalt, diamond it is carbon, और coated carbide tool is nitride, so answer is B. Okay, so HSS in addition to tungsten, chromium, vanadium has molybdenum as the most influencing constituent. Okay, non-ferrous alloy or satellite has high in cobalt. Major constituent of diamond is carbon. Okay, coated carbide tool is treated by nitride. Okay, so like that we have to match. Please read this explanation. Next question, the main alloying element in high speed steel in order of increasing proportion और वैनेडियम, क्रोमियम, टंगस्टन का कितने क्वेश्चन हम लोग इस पे कर चुके हैं। ओके, आई डोंट थिंक इसको अभी बताने की जरूरत है, बट एनीवे आई विल सॉल्व दैट। टंगस्टन, टाइटेनियम, वैनेडियम, क्रोमियम, टाइटेनियम, वैनेडियम, टंगस्टन, क्रोमियम, टाइटेनियम, आंसर। ओके, you can solve that question. It's like tungsten, chromium, vanadium. Okay, next question, I mean it's assertion reason, we'll read that. The characteristics feature of high speed steel is its red hardness. Okay, the chromium and cobalt in high speed steel promote martensite formation when tool is cold work. ठीक है, IAS में आया हुआ उल्टा पुल्टा ऐसे लिख के आता है इस बार। ओके, देखिए दोनों ही करेक्ट है। द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फीचर ऑफ HSS is its red hardness is correct. Chromium and cobalt in high speed promotes martensite formation when tool is cold work. This is also correct. But ये इसका correct explanation नहीं है. Okay, so that's why the answer is B. Okay, one more question. For high speed turning of magnesium alloy, the coolant and cutting fluid preferred is water, miscible, mineral, fatty oil. Okay, reason, as a rule water based oil are recommended for high speed operation in which high temperature are generated due to high frictional heat. Water being a good coolant, the heat dissipation is efficient. Okay, so this is actually, see, both is correct and is correct explanation also. Okay, so for high speed turning of magnesium alloy, the coolant and cutting fluid preferred in water, miscible, mineral fatty. Yeah, ये correct है. As a rule water based oil is recommended for high speed operation in which high temperature are generated due to high frictional heat. Water being a good coolant, the heat dissipation is efficient. Yes, this is also correct, and this is also correct explanation. Okay, so the answer is A. Okay, next question, which of the following processes can be used for production hard heat resistant coated at TI on HSS. Okay, physical vapor deposition PVD. Okay, sintering under reducing atmosphere. केमिकल वेपर डिपोजिशन या CVD बोलते हैं इसको, विद पोस्ट ट्रीटमेंट प्लाज्मा स्प्रेइंग। ओके, देखिए IAS में आया हुआ है तो थोड़ा टिपिकली देगा। आंसर इज एक्चुअली सी, इसमें यूज होता है PVD और प्लाज्मा स्प्रेइंग, ये दोनों नहीं होता। सिंटरिंग अंडर रिड्यूसिंग एटमॉस्फेयर और CVD भी नहीं होता है। ओके, सो फिजिकल वेपर डिपोजिशन एंड प्लाज्मा स्प्रेइंग, सो आंसर इज डी। नेक्स्ट इसमें देखिए मैच लिस्ट कराना है। लामीज थ्योरी IAS में आया हुआ है। ओके, वेरिंगन थ्योरम, न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ मोशन, Polygon's law of force. Okay, so the determination of position of resultant parallel forces, a definition of general condition of equilibrium, determination of resultant non-parallel forces, estimation of three forces on body in equilibrium। देखिए ये तो जैसे इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स का क्वेश्चन है, बट यहाँ पे मटेरियल साइंस में दिया हुआ है। ओके, सो देखिए लामीज थ्योरम क्या होता है? इट इज लाइक फोर्थ, इट विल मैच विद फोर्थ। So equilibrium of three forces on a body। देखिए लामीज में ऐसे होता है ना, यहाँ पे ऐसे होता है, यहाँ पे एक एंगल होता है, यहाँ पे एक एंगल होता है, यहाँ पे एक एंगल होता है, इधर एक फोर्स F होता है, F1 F2 F3। मान लिया एंगल 1 2 3, तो ये फोर्स डिवाइडेड बाई साइन ऑफ एंगल 2, this force divided by sine of angle 3, this force divided by sine of angle 1. So this is nothing but Lami's theorem. Okay, Waringen theorem, this is actually determination, वन से मैच होगा, determination of position of resultant of parallel forces. Okay, यह तो आपको सबको पता होगा कि न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ मोशन। दिस इज सेकंड, डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ जनरल कंडीशन ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम। ठीक है, और बचा हुआ आप तुम्हारा पॉलीगॉन लॉ ऑफ फोर्स हो जाएगा थर्ड, determination of the resultant parallel forces. So answer is A. Okay, this is question of actually materials, I mean engineering mechanics, but ये material science में दिया हुआ है, तो दिक्कत नहीं। Okay, so this was the end of this material science question. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.